Well, hey again, nutrition and wellness students. As promised, back with a second introductory video. And as you can see, I'm sharing my screen. I just want to take you quickly through the course webpage so that you know where to find everything. You feel confident and comfortable, like you're not, frazzled or uncertain on what to do or when things are due, because that's absolutely the worst. The first thing I'll note is that when you open our course page, you'll see my little introduction note here, and you'll see that my email address is right there. I check that email multiple times every day, so it shouldn't take you more than like 12 hours unless it's overnight hours. But even then, perhaps not more than 12 hours to hear back from me. So please do not spin your wheels in frustration. That's the worst, and I know that. Just send me an email. I love to hear from you. I love to help, and I'll shoot you an email back quickly. And if it's a thing that, like at the beginning of the class during startup time, it's last second, that's okay. We'll figure it out. Please keep the stress at a minimum and reach out to me as soon as you need help, okay? But let's also introduce you to the course so that hopefully you don't need to feel that way. Then you can just reach out to me with fun things and questions that are more interesting than minutiae. So below that initial note, you'll find the video that you've already watched, plus this video will be posted in this space. And you'll see the course syllabus. We're going to come back to that in a minute. I want to show you what's on the left-hand side here in the menu, because that's the other important thing for navigating the course page. So always, if I make an announcement, you should get an email about it, and you'll see it posted here. The calendar here is a really good way to keep organized. If I click on that, it's going to show me, if I go forward to September, all the things that I have due when they're due. Now you'll notice I have a lot of things due on my calendar because I also teach Sophie Connect AP Environmental Science. So many of these assignments are theirs, but you'll also see I've posted your first assignments and assignments for the following week and the following week and the following week will be revealed as we go. So if you don't see future weeks yet, it's because I haven't revealed those to you. And you can see that those are here on the left-hand side below. So I'll talk about those in a minute. The other thing you'll need on the left here is discussions. So discussions will be posted here. You'll see I'm in the process of rewriting your introductory prompt. We'll have a prompt to come on fat, protein, and carbohydrates in your diet, and we'll have about 2 other prompts. We'll probably have maybe 4, maybe even 5 or 6 discussions this semester. The weeks are actually here on the left, and so now that you know about these basic navigation points, the only other thing you really need to know is that each week on Sunday, just before midnight Eastern time, so like 9 p.m. my time here on the West Coast, I will open up the module that corresponds to that week. And in that module, you'll find the assignments for that week. You'll find the readings for that week. You'll find the videos posted for that week. Everything will be right there for you. So really, what do you practically need to do? You basically need to check the course page each Monday morning, and you need to see what's going on in that week's module, which will have been posted the night before. And you need to figure out what you're going to do that week for scheduling yourself to get those things done. I would always check on Monday if I were you. That way, if it's something easy, you can decide, I'll put that off till Saturday. I have a busy week. Or if it's a lot of work, you could say, okay, this is a busy week, and I'm going to make sure I get ahead on this and work on it, tonight, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, whatever I need to do to make sure I get it done. I don't anticipate you'll have an overly abundant amount of homework in this class, but some assignments will take longer than others. Just be careful with that. Always, all the assignments for a week will be due the following Monday night. So in other words, if I post it on Sunday night, you'll have 8 days to complete it, and the Monday night following that week is when it will be due. That's all detailed in the syllabus. So back to the syllabus, and I'll show you that real quick, and we'll be done with this intro to the course. All of the policies and other information that you need is here. You can read it. I do want you to read it and understand it, so make sure that you do. The one thing I think I'll point out to you, because it's often a concern of students, is how we're going to have our weekly assignments and how we're going to assign grades. So basically, the idea is we're going to have a quiz every week with a couple of exceptions. We're going to have no quiz the first week, but you'll see from there quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3, quiz 4, quiz 5. That should be in a regular cadence through the entire semester. I will drop your lowest quiz score. So you're going to take 11 quizzes total almost every week. Each is going to be worth 20 points. We'll have the 10 best count for 200 points. You're also going to have 12 activities or discussions to do. So a discussion during the first week where you'll introduce yourself to each other. Then each week you'll have like, an assignment to like make a video, or to do a scavenger hunt, or to do an analysis of your diet, or to post a discussion, or make a mini presentation that you record and turn in. It should always be something fun. I'm going to vary it so that it doesn't make it so that you have to do the same thing over and over, because some of you might not like that one thing. So some weeks might be great for you. Others might be like, oh, I don't love this. If you get one of the ones you don't love, just stick with it, because I hope there'll be at least a number of weeks that you're like, this is actually kind of fun and cool. All right, that's one of my biggest goals in the course, is to make it fun and cool and applicable to your life. All 12 of those assignments, activities, discussions will count. So that'll be 240 points. There'll be 20 points each as well. I will also have a bonus assignment in week 15. It's not for extra credit. It's if you screw up on an assignment, or especially early on in the course, and you're like, oh, can I please have extra credit? Well, no, I don't do that, but I'd be happy to let you redo a different assignment during week 15 to replace your low grade. So if you find yourself with a bad grade on an assignment, just do the week 15 assignment and it will replace that grade. Finally, instead of a final exam in this class, there'll be a final project. It's worth 100 points. Details will be forthcoming. It should be a fun assignment to synthesize all of your learning together, and it will have a few different options, so you can pick something that's fun to you and exciting to you. We'll have a work week. I've tried to position the work weeks around like fun times, like the week of Halloween will be a work week, so we don't have other assignments to do. The week of Thanksgiving will be a work week, so you don't have other assignments to do. And then the final project will be due during the last week of the course in the middle of December. So that's everything I think I need to show you for now. Again, back to the course page here. I hope the course is organized in a way that makes sense to you, makes it easy to navigate. Things will come available as you need to be doing them. Watch the calendar, watch for announcements, check the course every Monday morning. You should be good to go. Back to the beginning. If you need anything, please just email me. Again, I'm looking forward to working with all of you this year. And again, welcome to the class.